Hi everyone, my name is Doug. I'm the founder and chief designer of the Hollow Wheel Performance. I am the owner of Momentum Boards, and in this video I want to show you my testing rig. So the testing rig is something that's really important, near and dear to myself, something that I built in my own apartment, and the purpose of this is to really expedite the development and durability testing of the Hollow Wheel Performance. And so what this is essentially a big drum that rotates, and it can actually spin up to 40 miles an hour. And what it does is it simulates the rolling resistance of a skateboard wheel, whether it's on flat ground, whether you're going on a bunch of bumps. You can see over there is a little bar stock, and it's placed 4 times equidistant, and actually in a matter of about 10 minutes, depending on how fast I'm going, I can reach close to 100,000 bumps in a matter of minutes. So this is an engineering testing, durability testing. What you want to do is instead of waiting for a rider to spend months, weeks, whatever it might be, to get on multiple or hundreds of miles, you can use a test rig like this where it can run overnight and then do the testing for you. So how this is constructed is, of course, this is a big drum here. This has a electric skateboard drivetrain, similar to any standard drivetrain you have. Uses a torque board ESC, trucks, torque boards, motors, things like that. And what I can do is I can do a myriad of things. I can test the fatigue, both in terms of impact. What that means is basically hitting the wheel hundreds and thousands of times before eventually it starts just breaking down. And that's more mechanical stress. And then we can also do more of things like we can do more thermal testing, which thermal testing on a wheel, something that's rubber, polyurethane. Polyurethane is rubber. It's hard to simulate. So you can simulate the mechanical stresses in this wheel, but it's really difficult to test the thermal degradation of the compound. How it degrades, how it starts separating from the core. You can learn a lot of this through this because you can get the wheel. Actually, I've gotten a wheel up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit actually before, and of course that pretty much destroys the wheel. But the way that this works is you can place weight to simulate someone of any weight. Of course, I can't do dynamic like a carving, but I can at least load the wheel very, very heavily. And the name of the game is durability, which is basically figuring out relative to other variables like weight, speed, temperature, which I can largely control. You can put on different designs and see what and how durable they are with respect to one another, and that's the important thing. Then it's your job after that, my job really, to correlate that to real life. How many miles on the test rig does that translate to real life? But that's a little bit of the of the test rig, and there's a lot of really great videos of it destroying wheels and things like that.